Antoine de Saint-Exupéry once said that perfection is not achieved when nothing more can be added, but when nothing more can be taken away. My name is Fred Kruger, and I build motorbikes. My motorbikes always have very clear lines, and the design is easy to comprehend. I am fascinated by the beginnings of design during the industrial era around the 1930s. This era is one of my major influences. What people appreciate about my work is the purity of the lines. Most of my work, almost all my projects, truly start from nothing. In the beginning, there really is nothing except an engine and a gearbox. Whether a two-wheeler or a car, I build everything around those parts myself. I'm probably a bit difficult because I place a lot of value in work done well. Although I try to work as cleanly as possible, there is always dust or smoke. There's no other way to do things in my workshop. That is why I absolutely need a mask for protection against dust and smoke. This region lives for motorsport. The racetrack at Spa-Francorchamps is only a few minutes away. I inherited my passion for motorsport from my parents. My mother used to be a rally driver, and my father had a motorbike shop. I am truly happy that I have passed this passion on to my children as well. I love racing with my daughter. She often serves as my co-pilot. Maybe I am just a big kid. I believe that this passion and the light you see in the eyes of a child need to be preserved for as long as possible. The key to building a motorbike is not just building a motorbike. Rather, a motorbike is a part of life, part of my client's life, and also a part of my life.